To northern Bahr state capital, Aweil, where heavy downpours have destroyed government property, including billboards and the antenna of a Kolyam FM community radio station in Aweil town. The Director General of the State Ministry of Information, Barnabas Goding, says the property destroyed are worth thousands of dollars. The manager of a Kolyam FM community radio station, Angelina Chol, appeals to well-wishers, state and national government authorities to support the restoration of the infrastructure.
What happened was rain. That rain was actually very serious rain, which has caused a lot of destruction. And you can see here, this is a Kolyam radio. The whole tower has been destructed, it fell down, and the whole thing is destroyed. And this was not just a normal rain, it is rain that is actually consists of wind. All the fence has been down and has broken almost everything.
This radio station will remain up because we don't have a pan to repair it again. And this antenna costs about 200,000 USD. To do it is not something easy for us unless the government, especially the national government and the government of Northern Bahr